Good morning.
I can't get it.
You can't get your cupcake out? Here, come here. He likes these pumpkin spice cupcakes, you guys. Here, you. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out either. There we go.
Morning.
Today, we are doing a Halloween slime pool.
Today we're doing a Halloween stunt pool. Woohoo!
Good morning, you guys. Okay, so I'm looking a little rough today. We just woke up like 2 hours ago and I haven't done anything yet to my face. But we're gonna do a Halloween slime pool. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I did is I filled up his pool with buckets of warm water, and then I just added some, or hot water, and then I just added some cold water so that it's a warm like a bath, because it is getting, you know, to be fall out here and the temperatures are starting to go down. And I want to say special thanks.
Mommy, the silly string's inside.
Okay, go get your silly string.
No.
You don't want to go get it?
No.
Okay. Special thanks to Sly Fox family, because they're the ones that showed us this right here, slime bath. What we're gonna do with it, we're gonna put it in our Halloween pool to make Halloween slime pool. And not only did I buy one of them, I bought a few of them.
1, 2, 3.
3 of them, and each of them does 2 baths is what it says. So hopefully we'll have enough to make ooey gooey Halloween slime.
Mommy, are gonna put a lot of them?
Yes, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so it comes in like this little pouch right here, and it's like, as you can see, it's already green and getting gooey, huh? And it smells very good, huh?
Yeah, it smells like cupcakes.
Yeah. 8 packets.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
Super slimy bath, dude.
I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing loud.
Okay, dude. Every Halloween bath needs some Halloween stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pumpkin!
Oh no!
Sing like
Some creepy crawlies are in your slime bath, dude.
freaking out to the beat, yeah, we freak out.
Something
Sing
else
like,
for your Halloween slime bath.
sing like,
It's a skull!
to the beat, yeah, we freak out. Sing like, where's the fun in doing what you're told?
Whoa! The bird's in your Halloween slime bath!
I don't mind even
you think of the slime bath, dude?
Good.
We've officially been in the slime bath for about an hour now, I'm guessing. And it's still fun. Still so much fun, huh?
Now look, I've already yelled out.
I know.
Love the slide pool, baby boy.
You're so silly. Okay, so I am all cleaned up. Kobu never got in the slime, but Kobu's cleaned up. And Caden is all cleaned up. He's looking out the window. My sister is supposed to be coming by to see Caden for a little bit. And we're chilling. That slime wore me out. I'm tired because it was get up, get down, get up, get down. Okay, she's not here yet then, baby. And Danny's in his ass. And she's about to... Okay. She's about to make us some chips and cheese. Let's go. I'm hungry. What are you doing, dude? Okay, guys, so now it's later in the day, and as you can see, I dyed my own hair for the very first time. That was difficult. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. If I ever have to do it again, I'm not gonna do it by myself because that was tough. I just went darker, like black, because I started to notice I had some like lighter ends and they were kind of bothering me. So I'm about to get in the shower and rinse it out and see if it looks any better. And Caden went with my mom and Maria to a football game. They're having their homecoming thing, and so that's where he's at right now, and she said she's gonna bring him back home in a little bit, and I'm sure he's gonna be pooped out. So are y'all ready to see what this looks like? I'm ready to see. Boom! You guys might think it looks the same, but I think it looks better. It's all dark and black. It's perfect. Okay guys, I got my baby back and he's very sleepy. Are you ready to go to bed, honey? Yeah, do you know what we're doing tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Your very first soccer game. This guy, I'm gonna have to move that guy. I keep almost hitting my head. Okay, so I'm gonna put this dude, I'm gonna put this dude in the bed. Can you say thanks for watching today's vlog?
Thank you for watching this vlog.
You turn the light on. Say, see you at my soccer game tomorrow.
Yeah, my soccer game tomorrow.
Can you hit him with the bye?